Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to fix black screen on Discord screen share. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. If you are experiencing a black screen during Discord screen sharing, there are several potential reasons for this issue. Here are some troubleshooting steps to help you resolve the black screen problem. Firstly, right-click on the Discord shortcut and choose Run as Administrator. Running Discord with elevated privileges can sometimes resolve screen sharing issues. Next method, ensure that your graphics drivers are up to date. Visit the website of your GPU manufacturer, for example, NVIDIA, AMD, Intel, and download the latest drivers for your graphics card. Lastly, in Discord, go to User Settings, the gear icon. Under the Advanced section, check if the Hardware Acceleration option is enabled. Try toggling it to see if it affects screen sharing. Another method, when initiating screen share, ensure that you are selecting the correct screen or application window to share. Use the application window option if sharing a specific program. Another method, if you are using the desktop version of Discord, try accessing Discord through a web browser and check if the screen share works without a black screen. Another method, try screen sharing in another Discord server to check if the problem is specific to a particular server. Lastly, if none of the above steps work, consider uninstalling and reinstalling Discord. Make sure to back up any imported data or settings before installing. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.